Okay, kids, we're here. So, I don't want you to get in any trouble, or I'll tell your daddy, or technically my son. And I'll tell Santa you've been on the naughty list. But if you do something bad, if you don't do something bad, I won't tell Santa that you've been on the naughty list. So, go anywhere you want, but don't get out of the city. And don't bother Musher. Don't go where Musher is. Don't go home, okay? No! I don't want to go near that guy. He's so messed up. Yes, you may go.
Excuse me. I'm the cameraman.
You're the cameraman? You're the cameraman?
Because I'm being paid to do this? I'm gonna follow you guys. Will the Junior Brothers ever get back to Christmas City?